Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world. It is situated off the southeastern coast of Africa. The population is approximately 25 million, and there's about 155 people for every Adventist. Here, rice paddy fields stretch into the horizon, both in the capital city of Antananarivo and in the rural areas. In this peaceful setting, the Adventist Church owns and operates the Adventist University of Zurcher. This university offers affordable, quality higher education in an environment committed to Seventh-day Adventist values. Since 1996, it has promoted the development of the whole person through academic, religious, and social programs.
Université Adventiste Zurcher has received the funds from the 13th Sabbath offerings on 2013 to build two buildings. One has the university library and the other one is for the technology building. The construction of these two buildings helped the university to accomplish its mission by getting more students to come to get university education.
The library is one of the biggest university libraries in the country. Many academic and spiritual books line its shelves. Students have online access and enjoy open spaces for group study. The building also houses the Ellen G. White Research Center and the Language Institute, where students can learn to read, write, and speak both French and English. Marua is a student at Zurcher. She loves the Language Institute and is grateful for the opportunity to attend school here. To her, Zurcher is more than just a school she studies at. It's a place where she can live out her faith. When Marua first accepted the Adventist message and chose to be baptized, she feared her family would disown her and send her away.
My parents didn't accept my decision. It was a challenging time for me. I drew strength from talking with teachers and friends. My friends stayed by my side and helped me stand firm in my decision.
Marua now feels closer to God as she studies His Word and connects with like-minded friends. She is studying nursing so she can help people in need. Students have also benefited from the new technology building, where the university expanded its curriculum. Here, more students can be equipped for this high-demand field.
The new technology building is very nice. We have a suitable laboratory, the space is big, there's room for everyone, and we have one computer per student for hands-on training.
I'd like to send a message to all Adventist members who gave offerings for the 13th Sabbath to Université Adventiste Zurcher. Thank you, because from your offerings we were able to make a dream a reality. Thank you.
For more than 100 years, the 13th Sabbath offering has empowered the Seventh-day Adventist Church to launch boats, heal the sick, build schools, reach the unreached, and change lives in many countries. Thank you for supporting the 13th Sabbath offering this quarter.